showing you how to use the misreferencing to solve a data problem in Excel. The concept in using misreferencing is very simple. In creating misreferencing, you just need to either you lock the column or you are locking the row. Compared to absolute referencing. On my last video, I talked about absolute referencing. Absolute referencing is just a simple way of locking both column and the row. But in this case of misreferencing, you are to lock either of the two. You can't lock both. It's either you are locking your column and the row will be flexible. It will be able to change whenever you copy the formula to another cell. For example, assuming that we are given this data set to solve, you looking how this data set, we were given the month and the sales, the discounts and tax and total is not given, but we were given discount rate and the tax rate. So first of all, we need to calculate discount from the sales and also calculate the tax from the sales. You have to deduct your discount from the sales and also deduct the tax from the sale. So how can you use misreferencing to solve this problem? So this is what I'll be showing you now. First of all, whenever you want to input any formula in Excel, don't forget to start with your equal sign. Now, the formula, to input the formula now, so we have to reference the cell, like that will be sales times discount rate. So that's the formula that we'll be using. That's what we give you. That's what will give us the actual value for discount. So our discount rate is 15%. So this is the formula. If you try applying the same formula in getting our tax, we just need to use the same formula that we use in discount to get our tax also. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. So now, after getting our discount, we just need to drag it to tax area so that we can get our result for the tax. Because instead of we doing one by one, to save time. So what we just need to do, our row is the number 2, while the column is the alphabet. So what we just need to do, because we are applying this sales throughout this month for discount and tax. So what we just need to do, we need to lock our column. We need to lock our sales column here. So just put your cursor at this B2, then press either your F4 or Fn plus F4 the first time. So continue to press it until you get to where the dollar sign is in front of the alphabet B, which is the column. So because that's only we really want to lock the column here, and the row number 2 will be flexible. We'll be able to change. So on the discount the rate here, H2, what we just need to lock, we need to lock the row so that it won't, whenever we drag our cursor, it won't change. We need to lock that. So we will make the column here to be flexible, to be able to change, to be able to move from discount to tax. So that's why we'll be leaving the H column to be unlocked. So to lock this also, you just have to hold your Fn plus F4. Click. Now you have our dollar sign in front of the number 2 row. So because we are to lock the row only, not both. So after doing this, then let's press our enter to get our result. Now these are our results. Let's try to drop down. Okay. Instead of we applying the same process in getting our tax, so what we just need to do, because we already lock our row and column, we already apply misreferencing. So what we just need to do, we can just drag it to tax. And here we go. we've got our result for tax also. To confirm if our tax rate is our tax value is correct or not, let's check from the formula, from the first formula. Can you see B2, which is the sales, is constant because we already locked it. So times I2. Now the column has shifted to the tax, which is the 10%, because we only lock our row and make our column to be flexible to be able to change. So can you see it shows that our formula is correct. So what we have applied, we have already applied a misreferencing, which is very, very correct. So this is just the simple way in using a misreferencing to solve any problem in data. It depends on the kind of data you were given. So what you just need to do, understand the cell that you want to be locked and the one that you need to be changed. Is either you are locking the column or is either you are locking the row. So you have to understand your data very well. So after getting our discount and tax, so to get our total value now, so what we just need to do, the formula to get our total value is just we deducting discount tax from our sales. So by doing that, enter your equal sign, then sales minus discount plus this tax. So then let's put enter it, then we got our value. Now we can drag it down. So this is just a simple way in using misreferencing to solve any data problem in Excel. Hope this helped. If you have any question, you can put down in the comment section.